In this video, we'll look at the Assignments menu. You'll learn how to view open and closed assignments, explore assignment details, and reassign lessons to a whole class or selected students. First, return to the Classes menu by clicking back in the top left corner. Now select Assignments. This is where all your current and past assignments are listed. Open assignments are tasks that are still active. The deadline hasn't expired, and students can continue completing them. You can sort open assignments by date, result, or time spent. Closed assignments include tasks where the deadline has passed. Students can no longer submit work here. The assignment card shows you whether the assignment was given to the whole class or selected students, how many students have completed it, and individual results and completion status. You can reassign any lesson, either to the entire class or to specific students who need extra practice. Just click Assignment Details and then click the Reassign Lesson button on the top right corner. That's how you manage open and closed assignments, review student results, and reassign lessons in Xeropan Classroom. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.